Hey there, fellow content creators! Are you ready to take your brand to the next level? Today, I'm diving into the art of boosting your brand with a mix of content creation and curation. In a world where we communicate both online and offline, the platforms to share your brand's content are endless. So, how do you make the most of this and engage others with your story? Let's get started. We see an incredible amount of content consumed and shared each day. Keeping up can be overwhelming, right? That's where a well-researched strategy blending content creation and curation comes in. First, let's talk about content creation. This is the part where you create original content specifically for your brand. Think of it as your fresh ingredients for a smoothie. You have complete control over how you and your brand are represented. This could be blogs, videos, podcasts, photos, infographics, white papers, and so much more. The fantastic thing about your own content is that you control the message and how it's delivered. Plus, when others share your content, they become an extension of your marketing team, spreading your message even further. However, creating original content daily can feel like a full-time job. This is where content curation steps in. Think of it as adding some frozen fruit to your smoothie mix. Many people share inspiring messages and content daily that might boost your own message. By engaging with these posts, you increase your audience, and sharing other people's content shows your followers that you're in tune with current trends and thoughts. Just a quick tip on curation: always read or watch the content first to ensure it aligns with your brand's message. It's easy to get carried away by a catchy headline, only to find out the content doesn't say what you thought it would. So, there you have it. A mix of content creation and curation is the perfect blend for your content marketing strategy. Ready to elevate your brand? Speak to us today to find out more about a bespoke strategy of content creation and curation that can help your brand shine. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on boosting your brand. Until next time, keep creating and curating.